Hello and welcome one more time. My name is Alex Centeno, and in this quick episode, what we're going to be taking a look is how to add files to the media pool automatically from Python in DaVinci Resolve. So we're going to give it a path to a folder that has some media in it, and then the script is going to create a folder. Inside of that folder in the media pool, it's going to add all of the files that it found under the path that we gave it. So let's take a look at the script. So I am loading Foundation, which is what you've seen in the previous videos. And here what I'm doing is checking to see if we're calling this with an argument. In other words, if I don't add an additional argument to the call when I call Python, then it's going to tell me to do that. Then it's going to ask me to provide a name for the project. It's going to create the project under that name. It's going to get the media pool object, and then is going to get the root folder, which we assign to root folder here. Then is going to add a subfolder with the same name that we gave it to the project when we were asking for the name. We get the media storage object, and then we just add the items that found in the path to the media pool. So automatically we just give it a path and it adds everything to the media pool. Let's run this. All right, so basically what I have here is that I'm going to call Python 3 with the name of the file, followed by an argument, and that argument is just the location of where I have the files that I want to add to the media pool. So we're going to run this, and it's going to ask me what is the name of the project. I'm going to call it tutorial 1, and basically it's going to go to DaVinci Resolve. It's going to create a project called tutorial 1. He's going to create a folder under the media pool with the same name as the project, tutorial 1, and then it's going to add all of the files that it found on the path that I give it. It's going to add them to the media pool automatically for me. Pretty cool. I'll see you in the next one.